How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode we have a new product review. I went online. I was watching one of the guys that I always watch. I like his videos a lot. If you're a car guy, you might know him. His YouTube channel name is The Dot in Blue, Mr. David Patterson. So I've been watching him for a long time, and he used to live in Virginia. And when he announced that he was moving to Atlanta, I get super excited because he's here in Atlanta. He's living here close to me. And one time I saw his Nissan 240 driving close to Georgia Mall. So he's pretty close by. I like his channel a lot. So he has a new car care product. I went and I get some for myself. And this episode is not a sponsor. I went and I get some products. This is the box that they came in. And I get them like long time ago, but I've been so busy I couldn't make this episode. Finally, I got the chance to do it. And on the box, I have these two products, which I'm gonna review right now. What I get for my car this time is gonna be the tire love and the brake dust pro. So basically I get just these two products to clean my wheels. I'm gonna see how they perform, and I'm gonna let you know what's my experience with them. I haven't checked any episodes of him using the products, so I just want to bring a true review because I haven't watched him using them, and I haven't watched anybody else because probably at this time somebody else already tried his products and made videos about it. So on the package, if you buy the package for the two products, you're gonna get this one, and a foam applicator for your tire love. So the smell that I get from this one, which is the brake dust pro, is super strong. And you know, if you have this type of products, they're gonna break down the brake dust. When you apply it, it's gonna turn red, and then you can use a pressure washer, wash it off, and it's supposed to clean them right away. It says here on the label they spray it on, leave it for a few seconds. You can use a brush to agitate everything and get them perfect. But if you're on the go, you can just apply it, use a pressure washer, and it's supposed to clean them. And for the tire love, I'm gonna clean my tires, get them dry. I'm gonna apply it, and I wanna see how long it's gonna last on the tire. Make sure that you read the instructions so you don't have any problems when you apply these products. On this one, if you have wheels like mine on the front, I paint those myself. It tells you to apply just in a small part of the wheel and check if everything works well. These aftermarket wheels, I haven't touched them. Paint is the paint that they came with, so I'm gonna apply it entirely when the wheel is dry, and let's see how it works. The smell is really strong. So we're just gonna wait a little bit, use our brushes because I wanna go inside because these wheels are really nasty right now. You can see on the rotor it turns red or purple. That's what happens when you have iron removers. It's gonna do that. So let me go ahead and start cleaning the wheel, then rinse it off. And if you can see down there, everything is turning red. For the surface of the wheel, I always use my soft brush. I don't want to go too aggressive. I don't want to scratch them. it's always a good idea to get a brush like this because you can go on the back. But if your wheel it has a very tight space, go with these ones because you can go behind. I'm gonna use the same thing for the tire, which I shouldn't, but why not? I just gotta clean it, make sure everything is clean so I can apply the tire dressing. Okay, so now we're done with that. I'm gonna wait a little bit, then spray, get the wheel dry. If you see how it removed all the brake dust and it's still looking red somewhere in there, removing the iron, so it's doing his job. Make sure that you do this to your wheels because if you have all that brake dust and when it rains, all that corrosion is going into your wheels and it's gonna mess up your paint. That's a quick little tip for you guys. Clean them because all the brake dust will eat your paint eventually. So I have my ring pretty much dry and it's not too bad. It doesn't look really bad. I think I missed this spot right here, but other than that, not so bad. Now that we finished with the wheel, let's go to the tire. I have the other product ready. Let me apply it. I'm gonna apply some on the applicator. Just not a lot, but make sure that you put it everywhere so you can cover the whole tire. Oh, I think I apply a lot. Yeah, I should apply less on the applicator. But because I don't know this product, I don't know how it is. But this one is not like some other products. They're almost a gel. This is this is pure liquid. So if you apply a lot, it's gonna be a lot on the tire. And because that was my mistake, I think I'm gonna remove some of the excess with a microfiber towel. But this product applies easy. I don't know how long it's gonna last though. It dries really quick too. The smell, it doesn't have any kind of like flavor. It smells, I don't know, chemical. It just smells like the pure chemical. They don't put any flavor on these products. Yeah, this is pure chemical. So it dries really quick. What I like about it, I thought I was gonna have to remove some with my microfiber towel. What I like about it is that it dries quick. So when you're driving around, the product is not gonna spray into your bumpers, into your fenders. I like that. Man, I didn't expect that from this product. Like I said, I didn't watch any other people doing it or even Mr. Dude in Blue himself because I want to have a true reaction with his products. But like you see me doing it, I apply a lot on the applicator, but this thing dries really quick. I like it. I like it. It's not greasy. I thought I overspray it, but you can see right there. You can see it. It dries really quick. So, Mr. Dude in Blue know what he's doing. I like it. And don't you guys think that he's paying me for this? He's not. I really like his products, especially this tire love. On the brake dust remover, I really need to go ahead and do better cleaning with my brush, let it dry, and clean it with my microfiber towel. But it does the job. It removes the brake dust because you can see down there. I don't see any brake dust. But this one, I really like this one. It dries really quick. The tire looks wet, but it doesn't look extra super shine. It looks amazing. It dries really quick, and I'm really impressed with this one. I really do like the tire lap. So overall, I think I did a good purchase. This product works really good. I like both. Check his channel so you can go directly to his website and you can order these products. And right now, I just have to finish the other 3 wheels. So guys, I hope you like this episode. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.